kids! Welcome to our fun and exciting learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool, our body parts. Are you ready to play a fun guessing game with me? Great! I'll give you some hints, and you try to guess which body part I'm talking about. Ready? Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel before starting the video. Let's get started. First hint. I help you see the world around you. You have two of me, and I come in different colors like blue, green, and brown. What am I? I'll give you a few seconds to guess. Did you guess eyes? That's right. These are your eyes. You use them to see everything, like your friends, your toys, and your favorite cartoons. Next hint. I help you hear sounds. You have one of me on each side of your head. I let you listen to music and hear your mom calling you for dinner. Can you guess what I am? Yes, I'm talking about ears. Great job! Your ears help you hear all kinds of sounds, from a bird singing to a car honking. Here's the next hint. I sit right in the middle of your face. I help you smell flowers and food. I also help you breathe. What am I? That's right, it's your nose. Your nose is super important for smelling and breathing. Next up, I help you talk, eat, and smile. I have lips and teeth inside me. What am I? Did you guess mouth? Excellent! Your mouth helps you communicate and enjoy yummy foods. Alright, here's another one. I have fingers and a thumb. You use me to grab things, draw pictures, and clap when you're happy. What am I? Yes, I'm talking about hands. Your hands are amazing tools for doing so many things every day. Here's the next hint. I help you walk, run, and jump. You wear shoes to protect me. I have toes at the end. Can you guess what I am? That's right, I'm your feet. Your feet help you move around and play. Next hint. I sit at the top of your body. Your brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth are all part of me. What am I? Did you guess head? Awesome! Your head is where your brain is, and it helps you think and feel. Here's another one. I connect your arms to your body and help you lift things. You might shrug me when you don't know the answer to something. What am I? Yes, I'm your shoulders. Your shoulders help you lift and carry things. Next hint. I bend in the middle of your legs and help you walk, run, and jump. Sometimes I get scraped if you fall. What am I? That's right, I'm your knees. Your knees are very important for moving around. Last hint. I bend in the middle of your arms and help you lift and carry things. I'm what you use to do an elbow bump with your friends. What am I? Yes, I'm your elbows. Your elbows let your arms bend so you can reach things easily. You did such an amazing job guessing all the body parts. Learning about our body is so much fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time, kids. Bye.